We did it. Welcome. My name's Krista.
I'm Mandy.
And you are watching Poppies and Pincushions, where we have our So Frugal 26 reveal.
Whew.
We did it.
We did. I'm
so
not surprised.
Hopefully you watched our video yesterday. If not, here's a little card somewhere up there that you can watch it, where we talked about all the free patterns we had considered using. But we have a little secret. We are leaving for Hawaii today. So we really didn't have a lot of time, and we really needed a certain outfit for Hawaii. So this is what we made. And yes, we made the same thing.
Well, because matchy.
Because it's matchy.
Why
Well,
not?
no, they don't know yet.
Oh.
Okay, so we used the Matchy Sewing Club's pattern. We made the Craft Studio Tee, and then we used the Patterns for Pirates Walk the Plank shorts, and then I have a bonus item. So, all right. So hold up your top. So we used a Turkish towel from my linen closet. Oh, here's a thread. I better get that. We used the Turkish towel from my linen closet to make the Matchy Sewing Club Craft Studio Tee. Now,
We just did the center line on the fold.
Yeah, we eliminated the center line by taking the seam allowance out. We eliminated the sleeve. So it's just a grown-on sleeve, and then I put little bands on mine because I like a little longer sleeve. So I just made a loop and put it on the ends. I did not use the facing of any kind. I serged the top and turned it under.
Yep.
Is that how you did yours?
Yep.
Okay.
Easy peasy.
The bottom is the edge of the towel, which is the fringe. Boop, boop, boop.
So cute.
So cute. And then the Turkish towel is like an extra large that I had. So we
It was more like a Turkish blanket.
It was like a Turkish blanket.
Yeah.
So we were able to put the shirts on the outside edges with the fringe, and then the center we were able to make the shorts. So these are the Walk the Plank shorts with elastic waist. We intentionally made sure we didn't put pockets in it because these are going to be beach cover-ups, and I was like, if we put our phones in there or whatever in our pockets and then walk into the ocean, how is that going to work out? It's not.
It won't work out at all.
I didn't,
No pockets.
I said no pockets. I made an executive decision, no pockets. But yeah.
But like when you're walking out of the ocean in your bathing suit, you don't need a towel.
You don't need a towel.
Just throw on your towel clothes.
You can throw on your towel clothes. Come on. So good. Okay. And then I made a bonus item, and it's 99% done. I made the peg legs by Patterns for Pirates. Again, a free pattern. I made it out of swim fabric, and I made it reversible. So here's the one side. I used a short length, but I actually have a pair of shorts that I matched the length on. That because I knew I liked it. And then the reversible in green on this side, and floral. And then floral on the other side. So
And Hawaiian floral because
and
guess
Hawaiian
what?
floral.
We're going to Hawaii.
We're going to Hawaii
Today.
We're leaving. We're leaving. Bye. Aloha. All right. So I made the peg legs, free pattern. This was definitely swimsuit fabric from my stash. I have more of it than I thought I did, which is a little disappointing. We made the walk the plank PJ shorts in towel, and we made the Matchy Sewing Club Craft Studio Tee, eliminated the center lines. There you go. Thank you so much, Sam from Frugalissima and Ruanne from the Yorkshire Sew Girl, for putting this challenge So Frugal 26 together. If it's not too late, if it's the 31st of May 2026 for you to put up your picture, use the hashtag SoFrugal26, tag Ruanne at the Yorkshire Sew Girl, tag Sam at Frugalissima, and tell everyone what pattern you made. We're pretty excited to have our towel outfits. We hope that some of you win prizes. If you do win a prize, please put it down below. We would love to see some of our viewers that possibly won a prize. Also, please like and subscribe on our channel. We would love to have you here. We do a lot of sewing. We'll do gardening. We're going to be sitting by this pool. Anyway, we'd love to have you here. We're a channel for all people. So please join us on our crazy ride of cooking, sewing, gardening, shenanigans, failure,
And wins.
and wins.
This is a win.
Is a win.
Oh, I love it. I'm so excited.
All right, we're going to go put them on and show you.